vive la fantasia da pesce mi chiusa me. Everybody, way mamma, mi voglio male da. Way mamma, mi voglio male da. Way la di là, pesci fritti baccalà. Way la di là, pesci stocco baccalà. Mi dispiace, ma here we go, vamos. Take it easy. I called my girl the other night, I asked her could we meet. If you go to my house, we could have a bite to eat. There was little Peppino doing the cha-cha on the floor. Peppino, what you know, so won't you go away? Find yourself another house to run around and play. You scare my girl, you eat my cheese, you even drink my wine. I try so hard to get you, but you drink me all the time. I called my girl the other night, I asked her could we meet. I said let's go to my house, we could have a bite to eat. And as she walked in through the door, she screamed at what she saw. There was this little mouse doing the cha-cha on the floor. Peppino, Giulia, Gila, Malancia, Scombari. Gila, Agazzi, Peppino, Giulia, Gila, Peppino, Gelasa. E quando si ubriaca, Peppino, younger bar. Bravo, Giulia, bravo! Now I tell you the story of Peppino, the little mouse. You better be so careful, he'll get into your house. He'll scare your girl and eat your cheese, even drink your wine. And try so hard to get you, but he'll trick you all the time. Peppino, Giulia, Gila, Malancia, Scombari. Mannaggia, Giulia, Gila, Agazzi, Napari. Peppino, Giulia, Gila, Peppino, Gelasa. E quando si ubriaca, Peppino, younger bar. Let's hear it for Julie from Mulberry Street. I'm going to tell you, Peppino, the little mouse. You better be so careful, he'll get into your house. He'll scare your girl and eat your cheese, even drink your wine. Try so hard to catch him, but he'll trick you all the time. Everybody, Peppino, are you little mouse? Won't you go away? Find yourself another house to run around and play. You scare my girl, you eat my cheese, you even drink my wine. I try so hard to get you, but you trick me all the time. Peppino! Yeah, Forza Italia! Okay, we're going to take a short break because I believe they're going to do some electrical work over there, but we'll be back in 5 minutes. Thank you very much.
I just made your homework.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Actually,
Boston. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's just doing some electrical work. Be back in, I don't know, 5 minutes. Thank you, dear. Grazie. Grazie. What a great audience. Thank you so much. Thank you. Grazie. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Glad you enjoyed it. Thank you. We'll be back in a few minutes, folks. Thank you so much.